What's up, everyone, and welcome to this week's Sam's Minute Snippet, your weekly quick consumable content around the hottest topics in the world of CX. Now, we're going to continue on our journey of GPT best practices. So let's talk about how to use something like ChatGPT as your research assistant to find answers faster. No time to waste. Let's go. So as a technology advisor, you're constantly juggling conversations, industries, solutions. You don't always have the time to research every single detail before a meeting, right? I don't either. So that's where something like ChatGPT can be a game changer if you know how to use it effectively. So instead of spending an hour reading articles about CX trends, you can just ask it, what are the biggest CX challenges in healthcare right now, right? You'll get a high-level summary of things in just seconds. But don't stop there, okay? Refine your search. Say something like, now give me real world examples of how AI is solving these challenges. And then suddenly you're gonna get so many talking points for your client conversation. The key is to layer your questions in the same chat window. So start broad and then go deeper. And then if you need resources, ask it, right? Can you summarize recent research or provide links to reputable sources? And this approach is going to save you a ton of time. It's going to give you insights faster, and it really lets you walk into client meetings way more prepared and confident without getting lost in the weeds of endless research, because who enjoys that? Certainly not me. So on that note, let me know what you think in the comments below. Share your best GPT practices, because this content is meant to help you. #GoBeyond. Have a great week.